Dimensions or elements of business environment. As business environment can have either direct or indirect effect on business, so it is divided into two parts: general and specific. General environment इनडायरेक्टली इन्फ्लुएंस करता है वर्किंग ऑफ बिजनेस को, जैसे कि इकोनॉमिक, सोशल, पॉलिटिकल, लीगल एंड टेक्नोलॉजिकल इन्वायरमेंट. स्पेसिफिक इन्वायरमेंट डायरेक्टली इम्पैक्ट करता है बिजनेस की वर्किंग को, जैसे कि कस्टमर्स हैं, ओनर्स हैं, इन्वेस्टर्स, सप्लायर्स, क्रेडिटर्स, एम्प्लॉयज, ट्रेड यूनियन, हमारे कॉम्पिटिटर्स एंड गवर्नमेंट. Dimensions of business environment: economic, social, technological, political and legal. Economic environment refers to those forces that have economic impact on the business activities. Social environment में आता है custom, tradition, values, culture, social trends, हमारे beliefs, ethics of society जो हमारे business को affect करते हैं. Technological environment refers to technology, scientific improvements, नए innovations that provides new ways of producing goods and services for the business. Political environment includes political conditions such as general stability and peace in the country and specific attitude जो हमारी elected government representative का business के प्रति है. There may be uncertainty of business due to political unrest in the country. And last है legal environment, refers to framework of laws, various provisions, rules and regulations within which business transactions are made.